Starting around 02 July 2023, most certainly Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. SLP in every way that really matters has an all-out market cap of $71,669,093, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,163,578. Amazingly, this truly makes commonly Smooth Love Elixir SLP beautiful positioning at 299 in the digital currency market, or so they explicitly thought. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the kind of Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense Smooth Love Mixture fundamentally be all things considered worth in 2023 in a very significant way? Is truly Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Will SLP cost really outperform its unequaled high? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, these generally are our especially Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which especially is very critical. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value expectation 2023. As per the sort of Smooth Love Mixture conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a truly normal value level of $0.002, the normal exceptionally least value worth of most certainly Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to basically be $0.002, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Besides, SLP can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.002, which really is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value expectation July 2023. The cost for extremely Smooth Love Mixture in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.002, exhibiting how for the most part is in every practical sense Smooth Love Elixir a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of large manner. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of kind of Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense is truly anticipated to generally arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.002 and an extremely least of $0.002, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, genuinely Smooth Love Elixir truly is supposed to especially arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.002, or so they truly thought. The SLP cost could basically arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.002, with the in every way that really matters normal cost around $0.002, which certainly is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture SLP value conjecture October 2023. The exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a very least worth of $0.002, while the most extreme gauge cost by and large is around $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The typical cost for SLP truly is generally anticipated to reach $0.002 in October 2023, so truly Smooth Love Elixir SLP value figure October 2023. The essentially Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0.002, while the very most extreme gauge cost really is around $0.002, which in a real sense is very huge. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation November 2023. In every way that really matters, Smooth Love Elixir cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially reach between $0.002 to $0.002 in November 2023, while the sort of typical cost of SLP for the November in every way that really matters stays around $0.002. Exceptionally smooth love mixture value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the sort of greatest cost for essentially smooth love mixture could generally stretch around $0.002, which is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in December 2023 certainly is $0.002, with a kind of typical cost of $0.002, which sort of shows that while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.002, exhibiting how generally is essentially smooth love elixir a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023. Which in a real sense is very huge. Smooth love mixture certainly passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto generally has been, all things considered, diminished by 0.53% in its especially current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down. Or so they especially thought. Smooth love mixture explicitly is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, which basically is very huge. The SLP explicitly is down to nearly 3.9% over the most recent 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past truly couple of days. The coin could truly have in every practical sense solid basics. However, we don't really imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they generally thought. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP for the most part diminished by 42.765%, wiping out an incredible in every way that really matters normal amount of $0.001 from its sort of current worth, which sort of is very critical. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a generally excellent explicitly purchase and open door for especially speedy speculation, or so they essentially thought. The 90 days cost change especially is near 41.85%, and the cost basically flowed from an especially least in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003 to sort of greatest normal cost of $0.003 in the sort of beyond 90 days, which sort of demonstrates the way that the SLP cost could, all things considered, arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.002, with the by and large normal cost around $0.002 in an essentially significant manner. Smooth love mixture in a real sense is somewhere near 16.97%, with the genuinely greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around $0.002, and the by and large least for the most part normal cost of for the most part was around $0.002 in by and large beyond 4 months in a very enormous manner. Smooth love elixir value